All right, so let's pick a winner for the, oh, not that, sorry, for the Silky Pocket Boy. We're going to go ahead and do this. As you see, I already have the YouTube random comment generator up, grabbing the URL, posting it in. We are going not to include replies, get comments, 32, and then let's start. Who is it gonna be to win the Silky Pocket Boy? Hey, Randy! Alrighty, get a hold of me, Randy. Congratulations on this, and we'll get this sent out to you. Also, please, everybody, check out my Facebook page, my Instagram page as well. On the Instagram, once we hit 500 followers, there's going to be a giveaway over there for something. So go check that out. Thank you.